Well, IT pack is quite interesting at the current state because currency started appreciating and we have seen a little bit of a drubbing in the IT space. But having said that, the major IT plays, that is large cap, we like HCL Tech. We believe HCL Tech has quite a good value, and the kind of performance on a quarter-on-quarter basis that this company is posting, we are quite constructive and positive on HCL Tech in the large cap category. Whereas in the mid cap IT category, we like L&T Technology. We have a target over 2000, and we believe L&T Technology has a quite good potential. If I talk about the last quarterly results on the constant currency basis, it has clocked 30% growth, which is quite humongous compared to its peers. And we believe the business which is into, I think that is a specialized business, and L&T Technology has a quite a good potential to deliver in maybe next 6 to 12 months. Next quarter also seems to be quite strong. So L&T Technology in the mid-cap IT category, we are quite positive on.
All right, 1050 is the target that you can look at as far as the Bata is concerned. These three-wheelers, of course, seeing very strong move at the moment. Hero MotoCorp, top gainer on the Nifty as we speak. Siddharth, let's talk about these aviation stocks. We haven't had a chance to discuss them yet. Indigo and SpiceJet, some details that we picked up that they will be charging for web check-in seats across the board. This definitely is good news in terms of financials. It will offset some of those fuel costs that the companies are facing. No word yet if Jet will follow suit. What is the sense that you're making of aviation stocks? Obviously, there's also the factor in terms of the kind of sharp fall we've seen in crude prices. This should translate into positive news as far as ATF prices are concerned as well.
Absolutely, I think it's not a good news for the consumers, but having said that, if I talk about investment point of view, the entire airline space are not making that great profits, and I think in all the companies are in losses. Although in between we had seen some kind of interest which came up with Jet Airways when Tata showed their interest in terms of taking up the stake. Having said that, I still believe that the entire space should be looked at as a trading bets. One can look at, one can always get the advice from the chartist and accordingly trade on it. But for investment, I still would like to stay away from the entire space. I still believe crude can be a deterrent factor for the entire space. Although crude is trading at the lower levels, but still you cannot always judge the northward direction it will go. But overall perspective, the airline space is completely an avoid for me.
Completely an avoid the entire airline